Okay, it's now time for choral reading. That's where you get a chance to read along with me as I read the book too. Are you ready? Let's go. Rabbits. Some rabbits live on farms. Other rabbits live in the wild. Rabbits have two long ears. These help rabbits hear very well. Rabbits have soft fur. Most rabbits have short fur. Angora rabbits have long fur. Some people make yarn from their fur. Rabbits eat plants. A rabbit's teeth can grow long. Rabbits chew on things to wear down their teeth. Most farm animals live in a cage called a hutch. Rabbits hop around the farmyard to get exercise. This rabbit needs to rest. He's tired. Well, that's the end of our choral reading session. I hope you enjoyed that reading. I look forward to you reading this book again independently. So next time, I want you to play the next part, and I want you to read all by yourself. Practice, practice, practice.